Hey everyone, it is James of geometriccharts.com, November 19th, about 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USDT on the USD on the Bitfinex exchange. So you used to say on Binance. But anyways, first of all, the video is not investment advice. And second of all, we are continuing to melt down. There is a lot of selling pressure and control over this market, and it's not going to shake it until it can finally break free of it, and that's more than likely going to take a very long time. Now, we obliterated the 5400 zone like it was essentially nothing, just teardropping through it. More than likely, we're coming down to test the 4,000, probably like around like 4,200 on average, I think is pretty much the number across the board. Like somewhere around there, maybe like 4,300 for some exchanges. But anyways, either way, I still think there's further downside for Bitcoin. I thought we were going to get a little more of a relief rally than what we got, but we're just continuing to melt down here. So Bitcoin has a far way to go. I do not think it's going to be a turnaround like so or anything like that. I think this is going to lead to a long struggle. More than likely, we're going to drop. There's definitely going to be some trade opportunities, but I imagine they're going to be short-lived, like most things have been in this market. So anyways, a lot of energy accumulated in here. As I said, it was going to lead to a very powerful move. This move is just now like getting underway. And now the question is will the 42 to 4,300 area hold? If it does, that could be a good area for Bitcoin to find some buyers as a support level, but it's going to have to reach that zone, and then we'll have to just see how price reacts to it to even determine on whether or not those buyers are going to step up to the plate. And if they do not, and Bitcoin starts to tear through 4,000, we could easily be reworking ourselves down to 2,400. So sounds ridiculous, but again, people have been calling for outrageous numbers since this top. And every single time it's popped up, people thought that was it. It was the bottom. It was going to the moon. You know, people thought I was ridiculous and I was too bearish. But here we are, unwinding to the downside after I said repeatedly there's a lot of selling pressure in this market. So if we continue to smash through 4,000 and that area does not hold up, honestly, 2,400 is not that far of a drop from there. So it sounds a little ridiculous at the moment. Don't get me wrong. I definitely think it does sound ridiculous, but it is definitely a possibility, especially when we're talking about months of energy accumulating and then tearing to one side. So anyways, that's it for tonight. I definitely think we're going after weather storm. It's going to get violent, and there's going to be a lot of erratic price movement, like a lot of chop, but I do not think we are at the bottom quite yet. I definitely think we have much further to fall. I will produce another video on Wednesday. If you do like the video, you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe, follow. Today's just short because there's really not much else to add from like Friday's video and everything. And anyways, so that's it. Hope everybody has a great day, great night, and I'll talk to everybody on Wednesday.